gotta eat some food.
Is you laughing? Like, what's funny? What's funny, honey? What is going on? Why you being weird to me?
We hit the op with the torch. Anime bang, no Porsche. My BK bitch out like how you talk. I got that drip when I walk.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Ricky Lee, and I'm back with another banger video. I know you seen that title, I know you seen that thumbnail, so you already know what I got planned for today. Today I will be acting Ratchet in front of Avery to get his reaction. Y'all know I'm from New Orleans, so I can be ghetto as hell. Like, I'ma be smacking on gum, I'm be eating candy. I'm just gonna be acting just ratchet. Like, I'ma just be acting ghetto. Like, I just want to, like, I want him to be in disgust. Like, you feel what I'm saying? So, I ain't gonna hold y'all too long. He's about to hop in the car, we about to go get some food. And, shit, we gonna really see how to react. So, let's get it, gang. What's good, gang? Y'all already know what's going on. Y'all know the title of this video. He don't really know what's going on or whatever. So
What's the title of the video?
Really vlog. We about to go get something to eat. So I'm just starting a little vlog. Like,
What we about to eat?
What we about to eat at?
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
That's my go-to. That's cool, too.
Nah, for sure. I'm chilling.
Alright,
Chick-fil-A straight.
but yeah, though. So I'm trying to see.
What that is?
I don't know. It's this little candy that I had got or whatever. Why you all up in my business?
Let me get one.
Let you get one.
I can get one.
Like, you doing too much. Like, why you want my candy?
I just want some candy.
We literally just came from the store and you asking for some candy.
I
Like,
want some candy.
I'm saying though. But yeah, we about to go get something to eat, whatever. But I'm about to eat this cause a bitch is hungry.
Oh, you don't eat candy when you're hungry. You gotta eat some food. You heard me?
Huh?
You gotta eat some food.
I can't hear you speak up. Oh fuck.
You straight, bro?
I'm good.
You sure that shit hard as fuck?
When we go to Chick-fil-A, you finna pay for my food? Cause like, what are you here for? Like, what are you doing? Is you finna pay for my food? Hello? See, that's the problem. You niggas always taking me for a joke. Like, the fuck?
You straight, bro?
I'm good. You?
You straight? Me ain't straight.
All that Atlanta cool ass shit, like, nigga don't be on that. Like, I'm not on that.
You ain't on what?
You're getting me upset.
Why?
Cause you doing too much. Like, you all up in my business. You talking about something. Why I'm trying my candy like this? You laughing? Like, what's funny? What's funny, honey?
You straight?
What's funny?
You straight?
I'm good.
I think that candy doing something.
I'm good.
That candy doing
Are you
something.
good? Are you good? Are you good?
That candy doing something, y'all.
Boy. Oh. My bad. Shit. Oh, put this down here. Damn.
You good, bro?
Yeah.
Let me know something. Like, I don't know about this Florida heat. What it be doing to y'all, folks? That's why I'm tweaking it.
I'm trying to vlog.
That's why I'm tweaking it.
Camera acting dumb. Like, what is going on? Why you being weird to me? Avery.
Talking about being weird.
Why you being weird to me?
That's you. You on some weird shit right now.
You doing too much.
You on some weird shit right now.
You doing too much.
You on some weird shit.
Talking about something being weird. What you mean weird?
Is we gonna get this food or not?
I'm on my way, ain't I? Is you putting gas in here?
Driving slow as hell.
Is you putting gas in here?
I see. You see that scooter right there? I'd gladly hop on that motherfucker.
Okay, that's fine. That's fine. Let me listen to this song that I ain't. Why you all up in my phone? Nigga, all up in my phone. Avery, fix my camera. You about to really piss me off, bro. You ain't helpful at all. Like, you still trying to...
You still recording?
I'm vlogging, ain't I?
You gonna cut this shit out? Because you doing a lot right now.
Cut what out?
You doing a lot.
I'm not cutting that. This is how I am.
You're doing a lot.
You doing a lot. What you trying to do? You be doing all that boxing on your channel. You trying to do something about it?
Right there, Avery.
You're doing a lot.
Atlanta.
You're doing a lot.
Atlanta.
You're doing a lot.
Atlanta.
I don't touch females. I got females that touch females.
Oh, okay, and we can hit body. We can hit body. Call whoever. Show them this footage, because I don't care. Call whoever, Avery. I will call them for you. Don't play with me.
You good?
The fuck? Bitch!
Don't play with me.
Why you stretching all your
Atlanta.
words?
Atlanta.
Why you stretching all your words? It's
Atlanta.
unnecessary.
That's how I talk. When people be blowing me, that's how I talk.
I'm blowing you.
Yes, now I'm getting thirsty. I can't even drive out the parking lot because you always got something to say. What are you saying right now? Doing too much. What that TikTok say, get that money and dip on niggas. Dip on niggas.
Dip on niggas. Dip on niggas. Dip on niggas.
Who you texting? I'm trying to vlog. I'm trying to go get something to eat. You not even paying for my food, but you saying you're texting? Like, what's going on? You know what? You know what?
You straight?
You get the fuck out of my car. You could get out of my car.
Why you so mad?
You about to get out of my car. Ain't nobody...
You woke up on the wrong side of the bed this morning?
Ain't nobody heard me, sweetheart.
You wasn't satisfied last night?
Yes, I went to sleep satisfied and I woke up happy until you got in my car.
For real?
Not get out. You got to go. I don't know how you gonna get back home, but you gotta go.
I gotta ride.
You need me to take you to him? I ain't. I wasn't. Ah. What Megan Thee Stallion say? Ah. Ah.
This is a new car, right?
Yeah. Get the fuck, bitch. Get the fuck out of my car.
Fuck your whip.
Avery! Avery! Yo, I think I got him, yo. Hold on. Avery! Shit. Avery! Avery, it was a prank. It was a prank. It was a prank. Come here. Oh, shit. AB, it was a prank, bro. Get back in the car, bro.
Where that scooter go?
Get back in the car. Avery, get back in the car. Get back in the car. I was just playing. It was an acting ratchet prank. Hey, comment down below.
Y'all see how y'all favorite YouTubers act on them motherfuckers? I'm about to hop on a scooter.
Hey,
I'm about to
listen.
goddamn ride this bitch back to Atlanta.
I need everybody to like, comment, subscribe, because I just went crazy on Avery ass. Let's get it.
Walking that bitch, keep a Glock in my garment. All my young niggas gon' shoot like the Hornet. Can't even hit him, my other informant. Nigga walk up, I'ma shoot with no warning. Ayy, I send a blitz and they swarming. I got a stick on me when I'm